Hello. This is just a quick video, really. I keep saying that, I know. But I gotta move stuff around so I have more room. And I'll show you, I blocked where the heater comes down from here. And what we're gonna do today is we're just gonna put our mint. Yeah, it came back. Believe it or not. This isn't exactly in the easiest place. So we're gonna put that in. Now this is where we put in all of our peppers before. And yeah, the lights are out, so it's hard to see. But the peppers didn't come up, I think, because of the heater. I think it's just way too hot and it dries everything out. And our parsley, yes, it's having a little bit of problem too because of the heat, but it's still alive. So we're going to plant it over here and give it more room to grow and move around. I don't want to disturb it too much. Oh, nice root system though. Okay. Okay, and an English ivy, low moisture, so we're going to put this one in. And this is our Canna, by the way. Here, it's finally doing well. So let's hope it can all do well. And this is where I planted all my sweet peppers that never came up. So, if we have one that grows in here, this is just like a combined container garden for me. But I think they'd be happier if they had more room, because it's not much room to grow in here. Ooh, that has a nice root system on it. We're not going to disturb it too much. Oh yeah. Okay, and we're going to give them a little bit of water. And to be on the safe side, my peroxide water. Since the lights are out, I've already sprayed everything down once anyway, because it was time to be treated. But we're going to go ahead and hit it one more time. It gives everything a chance to get a little bit of a start here, sorry, without the fungus. And there you have it. So here, maybe in a week or so, I'm going to do an update on the entire thing, because I'm going to show you. Here we go. I don't know. Ooh, that changed something. I don't know if this is going to help, but I'm hoping that this box will block the vent. And that way this here, there you go. That's the best I can do right now, actually. But see, this is my little tropical area, and that's my Canna. So I will talk to you in a little while. You guys have a lovely day, and I will as well. And I'll give you an update here soon. But this is just this part of my little garden here. Have a lovely day, and I will as well. I'll speak to you later. Bye.